Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Shadowhawk torches here. This is an LED super bright rechargeable torch with 10,000 lumens of lightning power. That is immense much. It's the XHP70.2 flashlight. It's a tactical torch, battery powered. IP67 flashlight, powerful. It's a hand torch, for example, dog walking, camping, in case of emergency and so on. It's one of the brightest light torches out there. It's a really cool flashlight, as you can see, and it has powerful lightning. Shadowhawk is a professional outdoor lighting manufacturer with more than 10 years of experience in torch design, production, and sales. They are brand sellers and sell the flashlights all over the world. Oh, they constantly strive to provide us with high quality lighting. And we have here a super bright 10,000 lumens on the go. Shadowhawk torch LED is super bright, has 10,000 lumens, which can easily illuminate a distance of 3,280 feet away. The rechargeable torch has a lifespan of more than 100,000 hours. The Shadowhawk flashlight is a reliable and convenient lighting tool for us people. The torch battery powered is made of high quality aluminum alloy materials. That means waterproof, super bright, long service life, etc. The LED torch is ideal for take a walk, running, biking, camping, hiking, night running, fishing, mountaineering, hunting, and some outdoor activities too, including family emergency situations, of course. We have two options, a floodlight option and a spotlight option, and it's really easy to set up this. This Shadowhawk S1477 zoomable flashlight telescope zoom allow us to choose the focus between spotlight and floodlight. The spotlights for remote observation and floodlight for large area illumination. You can choose with an easy-going push and pull. Shadowhawk here built a really cool flashlight, I think. In any mode, we can press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn off the torch LED super bright rechargeable battery system. And we get everything what we need. We get the Shadowhawk torch LED super bright, a rechargeable battery, and if we like, 3 AAA batteries. So we can use it with the rechargeable battery pack and with the 3 AAA batteries. We have a USB charging cable, which we can use to reload the rechargeable battery. And we have a keychain light that's really cute. And a battery case and an AAA battery case. Then a holster of the torch and a gift box. Oh yeah. XHP70.2 LED torch rechargeable. Powerful long, the life battery, USB input and USB output. That means we can use this torch as a power bank too. It's water resistant and virtually indestructible. Adjustable focus, and we have 5 light modes. We have here a popular use for more work, outdoor and home use. Easy to install. We open the cover of the torch on the backside. Then we look, there is a positive pole and a negative pole on our rechargeable battery. And we are going to install the torch with the positive side into the front side. After this, we turn and close the back cover of the torch again, and job's done. Oh yeah. We tear off the transparent plastic film outside of the battery so that the flashlight can find a normal charging at use. We have a USB input for recharging. We are computer, we are power bank, we are laptop, or we are our USB recharging port of our smartphone, for example. And we have a really cool upgraded power indicator light on it. So we can see with the 4 LEDs on it, we can see the status of recharging. The built-in USB interface, it's more convenient to be charged. Through the USB output design, the high power torch can be used to charge our mobile phone or other electric digital goods. The LED display shows the exact battery level, 25%, 50, 75, and 100, to help us check the battery operation status and remind us the powerful torch needs to be recharged when the battery is low. We have an upgraded XHP70.2 LED chip in it, which is stable and super bright, 10 times brighter than other normal LED torches out there. And we have a powerful battery. The torch battery powered adopts newly large capacity battery, which has a longer charging life than ordinary batteries. The newly powerful battery can provide up to 12 hours in medium mode of powerful non-diminishing brightness. But we can choose between 5 light modes. The LED torch Super Bright has 3 brightness levels, high, medium, and low, and 2 special modes. This is the strobe and the SOS mode. The strobe light is a particle function which we can warn the oncoming traffic when traveling on highways, for example. An additional flashing SOS light could be life-saving for people who like to hike or climb. And we have a waterproof and rugged design. The IP67 waterproof powerful torch can be survived a 10-foot drop or being temporarily submerged underwater. The sturdy shell and the safety hammer design can be our self-defense tool in emergency situations too. This tactical torch can even be frozen or run over by a truck, and it's still working anymore. This is really cool because this is a nice dimensioned and a really cool looking modern torch light here. And of course, if you like to power it by using the AAA batteries, it's possible too. You will need the case for it, and you install the batteries into the case, and then the case you can install into the torch light and use it with AA batteries. Really convenient, really cool. We have here the Shadowhawk S1476. The size is 16.2 centimeters to 4.3 centimeters to 3.2 centimeters. The weight of it is 200 grams without the battery. The bulb is an XHP70.2. The battery capacity is a 26650, and if you like, 3 AAA batteries. We can charging or recharge the battery with an USB cable. We have a telescopic zoom. We have an aluminum alloy material, and we press the switch to switch it on and off and choose the different modes. Really cool. We have high, middle, and low, strobe, and SOS. That's a cool Shadowhawk torch LED. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I'll see you next time. Soon.